Give me a second. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. This is right. Give me a second. Okay, is that better? Is that better? Hello? Sorry, just gotta get my mic fixed. Yeah, is that better? Yeah, that's good. Okay. Maybe a little too much. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to go through every Forex that I trade right here. Every Forex that I trade. Every really account that I trade that. I'll put this back down in here. It's back down here. I'm gonna put my euros together. Sorry, whenever I enter in a trade on something, I put it at the top, so I'm just gonna make sure I'm gonna put all these back together, make sure I don't have more than one AUD. I'll put my USDs at the top, then my AUD up there. So we got USD, AUD, EU. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Yeah. And then, so we'll start with gold. This is what I trade the most. Get rid of, I don't want to get rid of all my drawings. So this is what I do on every single trade week. Even on trades, I do this. I go to the 1 day time. Mark key zones. Biggest thing you can do, mark key zones on the day timer. Because that's just going to show you what it's run into. There's actually a key zone right here. All of this is a key zone. Yep, right here is a consolidation zone. This, I'm gonna make it smaller if it lets me click on it. I'm gonna make this smaller. I'm showing this is your top. This is your bottom. You have some other zones in here that I'll make smaller real quick. You can see that this is a zone, consolidates in here. You could even like make this a zone, but we're not down there, so I'm not gonna worry about that. Because this is just for next week. Yeah, this is a zone. If I were to bring this all the way back, I could make it a little bit bigger, bring it down a little bit, but it's fine. You guys get the idea. Most of the time I'll only mark the bottom and the top and one in the middle, but you see it. So I marked my day zone, my 1 day zones, as you can see, just over time. I don't know, I just like to do it. I go to the 4-hour timer. I go to where I'm at. Kind of looks the same. Like, you can just see it. There's a zone, consolidates in there a lot. It's consolidating here a lot, but I just marked this. I'm gonna get out of here. You can see it's been bouncing off of this zone for a while. It rejected off this zone once. Here, I'll get closer. Once, twice, came back down, consolidated for a little bit, broke through, broke back above it, happens, consolidated. So that's the top of the zone. Yeah, it's doing it again, but it reversed. You can see it reversed at the bottom of the zone. Same over here. It reversed in this. So what I'm going to do for this, I have my 50-day EMA. What I'm going to do for this trade is I'm going to guess it could bounce back. Let me get rid of these. This was just for my trade. This was a lot of pips right here on this trade that I took. Bought in right here. Consolidated, shot up. It shot from 1935 to 1965, I think, is where I pulled out. Yeah. That's another little trade I took right there on the 5-minute. I'll get rid of that. So, 50-day EMA. I'm going to say that it's going to go up Let me go to the 1 hour real quick. It's going to be closer. Yeah, it's on the 1 hour EMA, 50-day EMA. I'm going to say it's going to bounce off of this. Just my guess. It's now in an uptrend. Because if I go to the 30-minute timer, zoom in, it consolidated on this line right here. Bounced once, twice, broke through, rejected, hit it 3 times, 4 times. It just proved that this is a resistance level. High, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, 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 low. Consolidating. I'm just gonna bet from all this it's going to stay in its uptrend. Just gonna stay in its uptrend. So where it's at right now, I would take it. And I know this is gonna sound crazy. Buy trade. This is just me breaking down my trades for next week. Buy trade as soon as the market opens. Boom. Right here, consolidated a little bit. Here, here, and here. So that's the lowest point. Yeah. And then you can see it moved a lot here and here and here. It moves a lot. So I don't want to lose that much money. I really don't want it to reject and go all the way down to here. Even if it reverses, it would probably hit my stop loss. Because that's a lot of pips. I don't want to put my stop loss down here. Because say that that's not a good risk to reward ratio. So I'm going to put my stop loss tight. I'm going to say, especially since it just went down, you can see it went up, went down, went up, went down, went up, went down. It's just been back and forth. Well, it just went down. So I'm going to bet that it's most likely going to go up. And it's not going to push back down. And if it does, stop loss right there. I'm going to say this is going to go. It's at 55 right now. I'll put my take profit at. Right there is good. Risk to reward ratio 2.7. That's pretty good. That's my first setup for gold. That'll be 0.01 lot size. 1.01 lot size. That is $18. Easy. Wait, no. Yeah. $18, yeah. Like literally $17.99 right there. On 0.01 lot size. Almost $20 on one trade. And I'd say it's going to hit that pretty quick. Then I can look for trades after that. It might jump through it too. And it's just broke out of this. It's got a lot of momentum going up. Little reminder. Wait for a break of structure. It broke structure. It came out nice and fine. Rejected. I think I bought in actually high. I was like kind of like, damn. I was kind of upset I bought in like here. Because I didn't want this to just keep climbing, and when I bought in it rejected. I should have put more lot in here, but I don't have that much money in my account right now. Lost a lot of it when my buddy had my phone. I was in a couple of trades, lost all my money. Didn't have stop losses. That was rough. Okay, this again. Do it all over again. Except I am going to fly through now. One day. Zones. Zone here. Consolidates here. So I'm going to put, I have that line there. That's good. I have that line there. It's probably going to reject off this. It isn't. This is tough. USD JPY. This is tough. This is the day timer. Okay. I'll put my rectangle in here. You can see this was a line. Bounced off of it a couple times. Had resistance. People think like you need like an exact line. No, dude. It's gonna. You gotta give it some leeway. So it bounced off of that. I'd say it's gonna probably. It could either bounce off this line or not gonna like keep going through. What's they say our technicals are for the next week? Buy on moving averages. Buy on moving. That's weird. Buy on moving averages. What's it been doing? What's the market been doing? It's been. The market's up right now. It is up, and it could keep going up, or maybe it peaked. I'm just going to guess. I'll have to watch this closely. It rejected. So here's what I'm gonna do. This is maybe and done. Couldn't work. Could work. I'm not taking this on the day timer. Go to the 4 hour. Make it bigger again. Make a little. No, I didn't mean to do that. Consolidated right here. I like zones. I just like them. Don't ask me why, I just do. I got my line touches there. Yeah, that's a solid resistance line. Uptrend, downtrend, heavy. Damn. Reverses. Could just be tapping off that line. This is hard. Because I got another line right. I got another line right here I gotta watch out for. Not gonna lie. If it's gonna bounce off that line, probably gonna bounce off this line. I'm gonna take a small. Might be done for this. Small short. Small short. Just to there. Just to there. Stop loss tight. Stop loss very tight. Because it could break through this. It could just jump up. Let me go to 1 hour. Yeah. See, I had a trader there. Want it. Booyah. In a week was just taking small trades. So I would be right there. Yeah, tight stop loss right there. Right there. Boom. Gonna make good money on this. It's gonna go from 138.7 to 137.4. It's pretty good. That's a small trade. You don't gotta take huge trades. 30-minute timer. Yeah, 50-day EMA on the 30-minute timer. It broke through. Not gonna lie, this could reverse. Could. I don't know. Probably gonna get a little bit of profit. If I see it start to reverse or anything, I'll just take my profit. I'll take my little bit of profit. This one's being weird. USD can't. Oh yeah. One day. What is this zone? What did I? That was for the consolidation back there. I gotta fix this up a little bit. So this is right there. Top of it's, yep. It's flowing through this zone pretty good. I got another zone up here that I can mark. Just on the one day. I don't know, guys. I just like doing it. It just broke through this trend line. There's this trend line. It was on this uptrend. Jumped big time right here. But that is on a high timer. High timers don't really mean anything for me. Like, they don't affect really my trades. It's just nice to see where the market's at, what it's doing. So right now, it's pushing back down. It bounced off. It finally broke through. It did reject, pushed off. It's pushing back up again. Here's what happened. It touched a 50-day EMA. If I get a 1 hour time, it'll probably be closer. Yep. It was on this 50-day EMA. Broke through it. Rejected. It didn't like that. Came back through. Now it's under this 50-day EMA. Rejected. Going back up. Damn, dude, these trades are horrible. The market sucks. The market sucked this week. It did really. It's just being weird. So let's go to. So it broke structure. Small trade right there. Small trade right here. It broke structure. So I'm going to go to 30-minute timer. And realistically, I'm probably going to wait for it to touch this 30-minute timer. Just reversed. It did. People might not believe it. It reversed. I know it did. Well, like, yeah, this is pretty obvious that it did, but I am going to I would take a long position right here. Take profit. It's going to be up there. Stop loss. Down there, yep. 1-to-1, basically. Yeah, it's definitely going to follow it. Actually, it might bounce off of this. I want to guarantee profits. I could take half. I'll take half right there. I'll take half profits right here. Stop loss down there. Yeah, it's probably gonna, not gonna lie, don't freak out. Probably gonna reverse till it touches this 50-day EMA. It'll bounce off of it, like it does here. It goes down, it comes up, it plays with it for a little bit, jumps back down, plays, hits it again, jumps back down, goes again, hits it again. It's 50-day EMA. It's nice. It's gonna do the same thing over here. Back up, shoots up, huge, huge. Comes back down, touches it, shoots off. That might not look like a lot, but guys, we're on 30-minute timer. That's 1.3 to, what is that? Just say it broke through, or no, that's just, I'll show you right here. 1.325 all the way up to 1.328. That's some good pips. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this one just reversed. I think the zone back here, yeah, right there. Alt H. 30-minute timer. I should just go to the 1 day again. I'll go to the 4 hour. 1 day is maybe a little bit too much. Yeah, good resistance zone right here. You can see. Played around for a little bit. Bounced off, got under it, hit it a couple times, came back over, hit it. I'd say it's gonna stay up. Here, what's it say? What's it say for the 1 week buy? 1 month buy, 2 hour buy. Yeah, there aren't. Yeah, these don't really matter. I want, what's it say for the week buy? The moving averages. So it's under the 50-day EMA. Damn, these suck. These suck, dude. Like the market just keeps reversing this week. Or it reversed this week, so now it makes everything hard. Because you want to trade with the trend, but right at the end of the week, right here. You guys see this? Just reversed. So I'm going to say, it's going to stay above it. I'm just going to guess that because when it broke through back here, obviously stayed below it. I'm going to go back to the 1 hour so I can show you guys. When it broke through and bounced off it, stayed below it. So I'd say it's going to go over, bounce off of it, stay above it. So we're just gonna go in the 30-minute. Yeah, it's above the 30-minute EMA. I like the 30-minute EMA. It's normally right. Normally stays under it. Like that's just stupid, dude. The market's been so stupid. Right here is nice. Yeah, that is nice. You like to see that as a trader. So just a long for right here. Boom. We're just gonna go to here. Profits are profit. Actually, I'll go here. Half profit right here. Yeah, that's good enough. That's straight, right, guys? Considered straight in America today. Again, 4 hour timer. Zones. This is a zone. Big time, this is a zone. And it has been straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up. So I'd say it's going back to that zone. It's going to want to. I don't need to mark down there. It's too far away. It's not going to make it back down there. Yeah, it is going to keep going to this zone. That's just easy to see, guys. Just trade with the trend. Don't try and trade breakouts and stuff. You're going to lose your money, especially if you're new. Especially if you're new, you're just going to lose your money. What's it hitting here? It's hitting this. So what I'm looking at here, it stopped twice right here. It's fighting off that. But if you look here, I'm just gonna guess. I didn't know. I didn't check the market before that. There's this. Well, if you follow this over, there's this one. But it just stays with the trend. There's enough. Same with here, right here. It'll always match something on the other side most of the time. So I'm just gonna keep trading up until. So another long position right here. Just take your profits, guys. Just take them. It's easy. Free money. Free money, 1-to-1. And I'd say even if all these trades you just trade with the trend 1-to-1, you'll win 70% of them, 80% of them. You'll make money. So you guys, look, another trade I just took right here. Cash, give it to me. Give it to me. It just reversed though, but it reversed. Yep, this is free, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Free cash. 4 hour timer. Zone. Here. Boom. Zone here. Boom. Now 1 hour timer. Any more small zones I gotta see? No, not really. Maybe a little. Maybe right here. Maybe right here. I'll just put a line here, just for visuals. Just for visuals, we can say, even if I move this down, guys, even if I move this down, it's still breaking through that EMA. If I go to 30-minute, yep, it's pushing down, guys. It's gonna bounce off this. It's coming straight down. Just trust me. Short position right here. Boom. Take your money. Free cash, guys. If it reverses, it won't. Trust me, it won't. It might. Don't hold me to that, actually. Free cash right here. 2.7, so just say 2.5. You're gonna win that. Easy, plain as day. Euro USD, free cash. I was in a trade for this. I closed it right before the market closed, just because I wanted my money and I didn't really know. I needed to take my looks again. Let's go to the 4-hour timer. Boom. Okay, there is a zone right here. I'm just gonna mark it, just so I have it. The zone consolidated here and here, pretty heavy. I don't know. Yeah, I'd probably just mark that for myself. It is jumping. Anything in between here, that's where they're gonna stop it. It basically made it all the way and then reversed. So I'm gonna say this is probably gonna make it all the way. Maybe reverse. That's a lot of pips, guys. I'm on the 4-hour timer. That is a lot of pips, and it's not gonna. From the looks of it, there's gonna be no issues. There is a consolidation zone right here, and it reversed on. I'm just gonna let myself know, even though I'll look back at it. It just hit that consolidate. Of course it did. Actually, no, it didn't. Bottom of the zone right here. Down. Yeah. Of course. So it can reverse. This is where it gets tricky, guys. You just gotta look at the overall scheme of things. It has just been falling, and now it's climbing. Now it's climbing back up. But it can reverse. That is a lot of pips. So I'm gonna go to a smaller time frame and see what I want to do. Came up, bounced, stayed in between. Not gonna lie, guys. Just saying, on the 1-hour Euro USD, it like to stay in between right here. It like to stay in between right here. I'd say, just gonna say, especially with it consolidating, it's gonna like to stay in between. So if I go to the 30-minute timer, I'm going to enter in for a sell trade, because I'd say it's just gonna reverse, touch this, play around, keep going up. I didn't mean to do that. Like what it did here, it liked to play around. Actually, no, that was the bottom. Let me go back to the 1-hour so I can show you guys just my train of thought. It liked to play around in here. It liked to play around in here. But overall, it came back down. It played around, stayed there. Finally pushed up. Same thing it did back here. Exact same thing. Let me go to the 4-hour. It played around in these zones. Plays around. I just like to see what the market does for Euro USD. What does the market like to do? And I'm a little confused right now. A little confused. It happens, guys. But yeah, it's on an overall downtrend. It's not really gonna reverse too bad. That's what this has shown me. Not too bad. This one's gonna be a risky trade, but hey, you can't win them all. Money is money. I don't have to take a trade in this. I'm just showing you guys my thought process. I'm gonna guess. Realistically, do not take a trade in this for next week. Don't. It's too risky. You don't really know what the market's gonna do. Unless you're a pro. I'm not a pro. I don't really know what the market's gonna do. I would say it's gonna come back down. That's my guess. Tight stop loss, because it should not really push back up anymore. If it does, you want to be out of that trade quick. So right there, boom, yeah, you don't want to, if it keeps going up, bye-bye, I'm not in that trade anymore. I'm just going to take here. 4-1 if you win that. If it reverses, you're guaranteed money. If it doesn't, you're not out too much. It's risky. Maybe don't take that trade. Euro's a little weird. This one sucked, dude. As soon as I entered in, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yep. And then just touched it. Just had to touch it, and then I was out. Yep. Trade lasted this long. I was like, oh yeah, just keep going, keep going. Nope. Immediate. I don't think I was looking at the market. That happened in an hour and a half. If I saw this, I'm out right there. But nope, it took more money of mine. Happens, guys. It's unlucky. I was right about the trade. Just stop loss needed to be lower. I should have known. You can see these candles here. I should have known it was going to drop. Should have known. But that's weird. It was just up, up, up. As soon as I earned. Happens, guys. But as you can see, this one's probably going to be pretty easy for me. I love the market when it looks like this. Boom. Right here, zone. Right here, zone. And then zone right here. I'm just going to say it's a zone. It reversed there. It has to be a zone. It doesn't just reverse. Back to the 1 hour. There's nothing really strong in here, guys. It just played around and continued falling. So I'm just going to say long, Euro JPY. Take your money. Take your cash. There's no way in hell that it's just going to reverse mid. Just, oh yeah. I'm just going to go back down. Nah. That's weird, bro. There's nothing like around here that's really going to make it, like nothing too strong. Like this line. Yeah, touch there one more time. Consolidated there. Continued. Again. Continued. So I'd say it's just going to break through and continue. That's my guess, guys. Euro and ZD. Again, right about the trade. Thought it would go down. It did. Take profit, stop loss. I just wasn't watching the market really. And here, boom, that was dumb. I don't know why I made that so small. Let me go to the 4 hour timer. Yeah, I made these small. I made these really small. I should have made these eyes bigger. Therefore, because it continued with my trend. I don't know. Just happens, guys. Damn, you guys are seeing a lot of bad trades. I swear I take more that are. I swear I make money. I wouldn't be doing this. I'm not trying to lose you guys money. So zones. There's a zone up here. Bounced off. There is a trend. This is a trend, guys. This is a trend right here. It is in an uptrend. So you know what you do? You go to the 1 hour. I'm just gonna make sure. It's above the here, reversed under the EMA, stayed below it. Reversed above the EMA, right here. It just peaked above it again. You know what we do with that? Do you know what we do with that? Buy. We buy. Easy, free cash. Right there. It is now in an uptrend. Stop loss right there. Actually, no. I'll put my stop loss right here because it will most likely retest. If it does, it'll retest this resistance line, this trend line, and we'll get our cash. Let's go up here and just take half profits right here. And if it reverses, guys, here's the nice thing about half profits. Say you are up $500 right here, you're gonna make 1,000. You'll be up $500 right here. Take half of it out. You still have $500, or no, I'm dumb. Listen. You're gonna make $1,000. You're gonna make $1,000. So you're halfway up right here. This is $250 profit that you're gonna pull out, because realistically it's gonna be $500 profit here, $1,000 profit here, but you're only gonna take half out here, so that's $250 profit. You got $250 profit. Trust. If it reverses, pull out another $250. You get your reverses. So you take your $200. But guys, it consolidates. So you can wait till you can get your $200. Let it reverse all the way back down to here, because maybe it'll reverse a little bit, and then you'll get the rest of your money. Maybe it'll reverse again, and then it'll consolidate. You can take the rest of your money. That's $500. Or $250 reverses. You take your $125 from that, from your other half. Dude, that's still $325. Yeah, I could have been $1,000. Oh my gosh, if I left this in here. But no, realistically, take your half profit, you take your 250, and if it comes all the way up here, your other half, you take your 500. Boom. 750 like that. 750 compared to 325. Yeah, I know, guys. It's still money. It is still money. Or you can stay in for the whole time. Euro GBP. This one sucked. I was pissed off about this. This made no sense to me. I was on the 30-minute timer. Just watch, guys. Just watch. There's like a line here. There's a line here. I was like, okay, well, it was staying in between this line. Staying in between this line. So I was like, okay, well, it shouldn't want to climb back up. It shouldn't. It pushed down. It pushed up. It pushed down. It pushed up. It pushed down. And I thought it would push down more. Not gonna lie. Because I was like, well, it pushed down to here before. So that's why I put my take profit there. I was like, it should keep pushing down. Nope. Consolidated. I was like, it should push down. I thought it would hit the 50-day EMA and bounce off. No, it was weird, guys. Weird. That's weird. But now what we have ourselves here is a trend line. 1, 2, 3. That hits it 3 times. That's a trend line. Okay. Let's see. What are we going to do here? Let's go to the 1 day. It is real. These are from forever ago. What the? Dude, what did I used to do? Let's just clear all my drawings. Okay. Day timer doesn't do much for me, realistically. I've always used it. It's weird. This video, maybe I don't want to use it. Bounced off a reversed, bounced off of here. Consolidated, shot back up. So it consolidated. It is now what I would consider on the 1 hour timer, because the trade we take isn't going to be big enough to really affect. It is now going to be in an uptrend. This is the zone. This is the zone right here. It's in this zone. What we're trading is in this zone for the 1 hour timer. I'm going to guess. Just guess, guys. I'm going to delete this so you can see it better. Purple might be hard to see for you guys. Just gonna guess. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Boom. 30-minute timer. Anything I need to watch out for? Nah, bro. It's really just easy. It's easy. Look, it came down here. Came down. Yeah, it might have came and touched it again. Dude, you get your cash. Might have came down and touched it again. If your take profit was even higher, you get your cash. Realistically, when it came down here, your take profit should have been here. So you're getting your cash. So now it came down again. Bruh, get your cash. Free cash long. Boom. That is kind of weird. Bounced off of here. Came back down. You gotta trust it, guys. You just gotta trust it. It came down. It didn't really go below. Right here. You just gotta, guys, look in the past. See what it does. See what it does. Came down. Didn't break past this point again. So say you notice like, oh, it's a low, and it started to push back up. You'd buy in. Like, you're a maniac if you buy in right here. You are a maniac. It pushes up, it comes back down. You see it start to go up again. You might buy here. Comes up, comes back down to basically where you bought in. Basically where you bought in. You're gonna have your stop loss down here. You get your cash though. So it just goes with the trend. Goes with the trend. It's gonna go with the trend again. Put my take profit. I'm just gonna put it here. And realistically, I'm confident in this trade. Just because, again, going with the trend, it's below the 30-day EMA. Look like it's free, guys. Reversed on the EMA. Touched it again, jumped. Boom. The EMA doesn't like to be touched, guys. It doesn't. As soon as it gets touched, pushes off. Gets touched, pushes off. Right here, reverses, gets touched, pushes off. Consolidates, touches it, pushes off. Boom. It reverses as soon as it touches that. Consolidates, free cash. CHF, JPY. I didn't actually buy in here, did I? No, I didn't. That was just a guess trade. Sometimes I write these just to see like what what I think is gonna happen. Well, you can see right here. I don't know why I would put a buy trade in there. That's kind of dumb. That is pretty dumb. Guys, it consolidates. This is a top level zone right here. It hit it. You know what you do? Because it just proved to you. 1, 2, 3. It just proved to you it doesn't want to go above that. If it does, fuck it. Fuck that line. Fuck it. The market's screwed. They're cheating. That's what that means. They're cheating if it breaks that. So you enter in for a short. Right there. It's not going to break that, guys. It's not. It's just going to come back down. See, look. Boom, boom, boom. See, look. It came up. It consolidated for a little bit. But you will get your cash in the long run. If you're taking short trades, guys, don't do this. Don't follow these trades if you just want. If you're trading, like I started off trading for like a day. Like I did day trades on the 5-minute timer. This guarantees, I'm not gonna say more profit. You can probably make more money on the 5-minute timer if you get the majority of your trades right. This guarantees that you will get more. I don't know how to explain it. You are just more likely to win trades this way. Yeah, it might take longer to get to your profit because it could push back up here. It could push back up. It could come back down. You won't be making $5 every hour. But no, you can guarantee that within a week or so, yeah, 17th, 18th, 19th, within 5 days, you're going to make good cash, guys. You will. Even if it pushes back up. Like back here, say you saw it bounce off. Like right here. I don't know why I just put it on my monitor. Give me a second, guys. I gotta look for something. Oh, okay. Okay, let's see. Let's say if I was looking at the market, I saw it bounce once, twice. It started to push down. Oh my gosh. I bought it. I went to sell here because I was like, I just saw the market. I was like, okay, dude, it's crashing. Like, we gotta get in. It took 1, 2, 3, 4. Within 4 days, dude. Or you could hop on the 5-minute timer, like some people, and just be like, okay. Back here, what's the market gonna do? What's the market? You enter in for a little 5-minute trade right here. Let's see. 5-minute timer all the way back here. All the way back here. People look at the 5-minute timer like this. And the people that are making jack on 5-minute timer, dude, they got so much money invested into it. It is not funny. They got like $20,000 in the trade. People will be like, oh, whoa, I'm gonna put my stop loss right here, because they think, oh, it might bounce off of that line. And you're guys, look at my take profit compared to the 5-minute timer that people trade the 5-minute timer. You see this, like just right here. Imagine this. Okay, well, if you were smart, dude, you'd enter in for a buy trade here because you saw it bounce off here, but it's below the EMA. It's gonna put, no, dude. That's why the 5-minute timer is risky. You just don't want to do that. Like, it's weird. Yeah, you might catch this, but then like all this in here and stuff, you just gotta catch these. Like 3 in the morning. Who's gonna be up at 3 in the morning to trade, or 1:30 to 5:45? No one's gonna be up for that, dude. If you are psycho. Right here, this would be good. You wake up at 8:30, look at the market at 9. You're like, oh shit, it's jumping. You get in here, boom. That's good money. 5-minute timer, like, I get taking small trades like that and stuff. But if you want to guarantee profit, you could even go on the 15-minute timer. What's this market gonna do on the 15-minute timer? If you just had to guess. Okay, it's up. The thing about a 15-minute timer is you can't see what the market's doing right here. Okay, yeah, it's in an uptrend. Okay, I'm just gonna buy, because no, dude. Go to the 30-minute timer. You can see that. Yeah, and you can take a small trade, because realistically, it is probably gonna push back up here. You can get your little $10 or whatever, but nah, I want my cash for the week. Short position, it's gonna push back up to here. I know it is. So let's put it up a little bit. I know it's gonna push back up to there. Give me my cash though. I would much rather wait and guarantee this much money even this much money. Boom. Or people, but people could be like, well, enter in for a buy trade and then a sell trade. No, dude, because it push down, push up, it's gonna push back down. I know it's gonna push back down. I know it. I don't care about this little no, I know it's gonna push back down. I know it. It might push back up and then reject. It might push back up, and if it breaks through, Brian, good for the hedge fund. They just got some of my money. Hedge fund, yeah, $5 trillion, dude. They can have my $50. They can, because I'm gonna steal 1,000 from them this week. Like, it's just 4-hour timer. Okay, bro, this thing is jumping big time. It's back in an uptrend. So jump down, jumped up. It's been an uptrend for a little bit. 4-hour timer doesn't really show me too much of what I want. Realistically, it's in an uptrend still. Like, yeah, it came down a little bit, went up, came down a little bit, went up. Probably gonna come down a little bit, not gonna lie. You can tell where it consolidates. It's gonna probably gonna push back down a little bit. Push back down a decent amount. So what I do is I give it room to move. Because I know it's on an uptrend. It's gonna tell me to buy. Yeah. I know it's on an uptrend. Long position. Most likely you should wait till it pushes back down. And then once you see it's jumping again, once you see it reverses over the EMA, you should. I'm just going to guarantee my money, guys. Because it'll bounce off of this. If it even comes down that far, I'd say it won't. 30-minute timer. I didn't go to 30. Yeah. It's on an uptrend. If it wants to reverse on me, dude, good for it. I'm gonna go back to the 1-hour timer so I can 4-hour timer so I can just see. I'll make my take profit right here. People think I'm crazy for how long these trades are gonna take. The thing is you don't have to stay in for all of them. If I'm up, let's just do numbers. If I'm up $70 right here, and it starts to consolidate and comes back down, and it's saying I got $50, dude, I'll take my $50. It's still cash. It's still free money. I'm just playing. But then, oh my gosh, what if it comes down and you're down $50, dude? It's on an uptrend. It's gonna stay on the uptrend. That's just what it does. That's what it does. 4-hour timer. It stayed on its uptrend. Boom. Stayed on its downtrend. Boom. Staying on its uptrend. Like, yeah, this moves a lot in here. But as you can see, just look at the past. Moved a lot right here. Moved a lot right here. Like, almost exact. Consolidated right here. But it didn't reject or something. Like right here, yeah, I'd be risky about it. If it, like this right here, if I went to buy in right here, I don't know, because it went down, it went back up. So like here, dude, yeah, it'll probably reverse, and it did. But here, nah, consolidate. There's not much strength right here. So it's probably gonna come up to here. Prediction from market: come up to here, reject a little bit, go up more. It's gonna come up to here. It's gonna reject like over here. Just gotta look at the market backwards, guys. Free money, NZD, USD. Holy crap, bruh. I didn't get any notifications on this. Holy. Shouldn't have. Why did I enter that? Nah, dude, I'm dumb sometimes. You know why? Dude, this is the top of a zone right here. Right there. I'll delete this. It's gonna reverse. See, touches it once, reverses. Touches it once, reverses. It touched it, sell trade. Easy. Just like that, guys. Sell trade just like that. Take my profits there. Stop loss. Yeah. Free cash, guys. All of those. NAS 100. NAS 100 moves a lot. Moves a lot, dude. There's a lot of money in this. You gotta have money to make money. It's on an uptrend. Easy. Dude, you can just tell. It is on an uptrend. You know what you do with that? Bye. buy with the, actually, let me check real quick. Is it at the top of it? I used to be a psychopath, guys. What even is this? Bro, what is this? That was nothing. That wasn't even a trade. That was me just accidentally clicking, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. You see how it just moves a lot, guys. It does. This, dude, it doesn't want to stop. Long position. I'm not going to buy on the... What am I doing? It's just... Dude, it's not really rejecting hard at all. So I'm just going to boom. Below this, because it'll bounce off it. And you don't believe me? You don't believe me? It'll bounce off of this? Well, watch. Say I took a trade. Where's it at? Say I took a trade here to buy. Well, there's this back here, so I put my stop loss. I'd put my stop loss below that. Let me just show you real quick, long position. I'd put my stop loss below that. Boom. I'm winning. I'm winning that trade. That is free cash, guys. So, same thing here. It's gonna, if it does anything, it'll reverse to here. And then it'll... Free money. That's all my trades for the week, guys. It's that simple. It's that simple. How long have I been on here for? 30 minutes? That's going to make you guys good money. Yeah. Just a small trade I took. So, let me get rid of that. I got this. Uptrend. It's on an uptrend now, guys. That's free cash. Is it going to reverse? It could. It could. Gold's weird sometimes. Gold could reverse right here. Not going to lie. Not gonna lie, it played around in this zone a lot for a while, so it could play around in this zone. But I'm gonna make my stop loss tighter. Just trust. Just trust. For gold, not gonna lie, that should be your trade right there, because you don't really know what the market's gonna do with that. That's weird. That should be your trade right there. But have a pair, guys. Have a pair. You want to secure profits? You want to secure profits? It's probably gonna push up, guys. It was just on this downtrend here. It was just stuck. It was just stuck. That's why. But now it's out. It's gonna be pushing up. It's going to be pushing up. So you can take half profit. Half profits. I can't talk. Half profits right there. Boom. I already showed you guys this. I already showed you my thinking for this. That's it. That's all my trades. Apple. Let's look at stocks, bro. Trend line on stocks. Even though I would never trade these because they're weird. Like, bro, what? Bro, what? Just buy in here. Buy in, you'll make money, dude. It's going up. Tesla. Tesla buying, guys. It's going up. Netflix. Buying, it's going up. Your luck is horrible if every trade you take going with the trend reverses on you. Like, that would just... You'll always make a little bit of money. Actually, it's kind of at the top here, guys. It's kind of at the top. I wouldn't take a trade in this. You could take a short. Has it touched? Actually, no. You just wait to see what it does with this line right here. You wait to see if it breaks through or rejects. You'll get a little bit of confirmation. It'll start to go down. It could even reject and hit it again. It'll stay here. But then after that, if it's sell, boom, free money. Bro, what the fuck? Like, this is why stocks are down. Indices. Hold on, let me check to see if MetaTrader has indices real quick. Like SPY. I think SPY's an index. Hopefully this is on my small account so you guys don't see my fucking money. Let's go. Yes. Is this even my account? Oh yeah, this is one of my accounts. I was like, no, but yeah. Dude, not gonna lie, I just always buy my phone. I think it's up here. Yeah, just use US 30. Yeah, you can't trade like SPY. Actually, yeah, you can. Where is it at? Where is it at? Show me it. I never trade on my computer, bro. This is confusing as but. I'm so confused. I used to have trading bots on here that lost me fuck tons of money. Trading bots, don't trust them, dude. Just learn how to trade yourself. Just learn how to trade yourself. It's so much easier. Don't rely on a bot, dude. It's not that easy. All these free money things on buy or bot, buy. Nah, that. Nope, I'm good. Look, you turn auto trading on. And I forget where it was. Market. I had a couple. This one's supposed to be really good. Guess what? Guess what, guys? It's not letting me click anymore. That's why I don't do it on here. Okay. Dark Venus is supposed to be really good. Guess what, guys? It made me 30 bucks. The morning I put it on, it made me 30 bucks in like 5 minutes. I was like, no way. I left it running all day. Came back. It lost about $400. I was like, what the fuck? Dude, it entered in on buy trade. So what it does is like, if the market jumps like right here, boom, it would like sell it. And it would just trade small trades like all day. So like it would just trade like when the market was jumping around. Well, with gold like dropped really quick, so it bought a bunch. Well, gold like kept dropping, and it didn't sell. It just kept like like it would drop, and it would buy the market, and then it would drop more, and it bought again, and it dropped more, and it had me in like 10 trades for buying, and the market was crashing, and I was like, what? Like, why wouldn't you sell? Like, if you, once it drops twice, wouldn't you think like, oh, sell time, sell, and then it keeps dropping. Oh, I'll sell again. Dude, like, what? Bot's dumb. This is my account I just mess around on with bots. It doesn't really, like, yeah, 50 bucks, dude. I'll make that back in a trade. I'll make that back in like a 1 gold trade. 1 gold trade on 5-minute timer. Yeah, that 5-minute timer, gold. Boom, like I would, like right here, boom. 0.01 lot size right here, guys. 0.01. You would have made 20 bucks on 0.01 lot. 35 to 55. Imagine 0.1 lot, guys. It is $500 off of 50 bucks. Wait a minute, I'm dumb. 0.01 or off of 100 bucks, close to 100 bucks, you would have made 500 or 200. Guys, I'm having a brain fart. I'm sorry. Off of 10 bucks, you would have made 20. Yeah, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. I swear I graduated. I'm in college, dude, and I'm a math whiz. I don't know. I just got stumped for a second. Well, hopefully that helped you guys. Again, not a financial advisor. Don't copy. If you want to. If I made you think like, oh, like that might be a good idea, do your own analysis. Please do your own analysis. I'm not a genius, but I am. I am a genius. Do your own analysis. If you like the way it looks, you can follow my ideas. They're just ideas. They're my opinions. I'm not telling you to do it. If you want, though, you can. But it's my opinion. Do your own research. Blah, blah, blah. Yep. Bada bing, bada boom. Pow. Oh, by the way, silver copies gold. Or I thought it did. What? Hold on. Let me go 1 hour timer. I thought silver copies gold. Is that the same? Yeah, it's pretty similar. Yeah, like this here, this here, this thing. It's close. It's not exact. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it's silver copy's going. Okay, down, up, down. Maybe it doesn't. I'm confused. I thought it did. Why is it on 1 hour timer now? Down, up, down. Up, down, up, down. Holy guys. Does it copy it down, up, down, up? I'm lost. I thought it did. I'm probably dumb. Let's go on the 1 day timer. That'll really show us. Where am I, bro? No wonder I'm so lost. Okay, so yeah, okay, yeah, it does. So it's yeah, okay, yeah, it does, dude. I was I thought I was tripping. I swore it copied it, but yeah, it does. It's not exact, but yeah, it's close. You just make more money on the road, bro. Why trade silver? Unless you're broke. Or not broke. Not broke. Sorry, not broke. Small account. You can trade silver. Market's closed till Sunday at 5, by the way, too. Eastern, I believe. Market's not open on weekends. If you're seeing this on the weekend, this is my analysis